Well, here we have the JY66. I put new wheels on it. These softer wheels, which you can buy on Banggood or AliExpress. Unfortunately, they are very, very soft plastic. After putting it out on a run today for about 10 minutes in the back garden, one of the wheels came off. Now, myself, I'm known as, in the household, a family household, as Mr. Tighty Man. I do tend to over tighten things up, and I had done with this, and basically the screw went through the soft plastic in the center of the wheel on one side. But I did notice with these tires, these wheels, that the way they're made, they've got like little lines, little splits that go around the hexagon shape where the screw fits in. And if you look at this, let's have a look so I can show it to you. Right, that's what's happened. It's just split open on the joints, and yet it's had no it hasn't been run hard or anything like that. And you can see the little, if I show that, yeah, the little cracks where the hexagons lines join each other, and it's just basically opened up where the joints are and fell off. And also the screws come right through the middle. The plastic is so soft. So what I'm going to have to do, and I've done it on one wheel already on the other side, I'm going to have to glue this. And once I've glued, I generally glue it with super glue. Then on the outside I put epoxy resin, and then once that's dry, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a cable tie to hold it all together. I've done one already on the other side because it did exactly the same sort of thing. This wheel and tie here, it's nice and solid now, but I had the same problem where it just split on the joints, and this is brand new. This is how they're made.